Hi children, today you are going to learn 8th class 9th chapter, that is area of plane figures, in that exercise number 9.2. So we'll discuss here the 9.2 problems. The first problem comes here, that is a area of a rectangular acrylic sheet. Acrylic sheet is 36 centimeters by 25 centimeters. A rectangular acrylic sheet is the area, the rectangular acrylic sheet of length L equal to 36 centimeters and breadth B equal to 25 centimeters of length, and here the breadth, length and breadth are given. Okay, from the 56 circular buttons of each diameter 3.5 centimeters have been cut out. That means there is a one rectangular sheet like this. See, there is a rectangular sheet like this. From this sheet there are 56 buttons are cut out from this. How many buttons? 56 buttons are cut out from this rectangular sheet. 56 buttons he cut చేశాడు ఈ rectangular sheet. Okay, so this all the rectangles, all these circulars will be in the same in the size. So they are cut out the 56 circular buttons. Okay, circle shape of 56 buttons are cut out from this sheet of length is 36 centimeters and breadth is 25 centimeters, and each circle button, each button having 3.5 centimeter as a diameter. D equal to 3.5 centimeter. The diameter of the total number of circular buttons cut out. The total number of circular buttons equal to 56. The diameter of each button, the diameter of each button, D equal to, that is 3.5 centimeters. But with the diameter we don't have any formulas, no. Let us write the radius then. The radius R equal to, radius will be half of the diameter, so D by 2, that equal to 3.5 centimeters by 2, that equal to 1.75 centimeters. So the R value is 1.75 centimeters. Find out the area of remaining sheet. Find out the area of the remaining sheet. That means here there is a one rectangular sheet like this. A rectangular sheet ను చేంజ్ చేశాడు, 56 buttons ని కట్ చేశాడు. సో కట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్లేసెస్ మిగిలిపోతున్నాయి చూడండి, the uncovered places. So these places are left over. That area we need to find out. So how can we find out the area of remaining sheet? The area of remaining sheet is equal to, also the area of remaining sheet from the area of total, we have to subtract the area of this 56 circular buttons. Area of the rectangle minus area of 56 circular buttons. So area of rectangle minus here 56 into area 56 ఏరియా సర్కిల్స్. ఓకే, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్స్ ఇది చేస్తే వచ్చేస్తుంది. అంటే 56 బటన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఈచ్ బటన్ హ్యావింగ్ డయామీటర్ 3.5 సెంటీమీటర్, దెన్ రేడియస్ ఈజ్ 1.75 సెంటీమీటర్. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి, ఇప్పుడు ఈ రిమైనింగ్ షీట్ ఏరియా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. అంటే టోటల్ ఏరియా నుంచి ఈ బటన్స్ ఎంత ఏరియా తీసేసుకున్నావో తీసేయాలి, అయితే రిమైనింగ్ ఏరియా వస్తుంది. సో టోటల్ ఏరియా మైనస్ 56 ఇంటూ ఏరియా సర్కిల్స్, సర్క్యులర్ బటన్స్, ఏరియా సర్క్యులర్ బటన్స్, circular buttons. Area circular button, nothing but area circle formula. So let us use it here. L into B, area of rectangle minus 56. Why 56? Because there are 56 buttons. 56 into area circle formula pi r square. Pi r square. Here pi value we can take, see, has he given anything? No. So pi value, let us take it as a 22/7. Yes, 22/7 will take it. Yes. Now we will take L value. First L value we will take it as a 36 centimeters into B value is 25 centimeters. From this minus we have to subtract 56 into pi value 22/7 into r value. What is the radius? Here diameter is 3.5. So radius is half of the diameter. Diameter entanto danlo sagam radius untundi. So half of the diameter is known as the radius, that is 1.75. 1.75 centimeters into 1.75 centimeters. Why I have written 2 times? Because it is a r square. So r into r, that is r square. So r square into 2 square. Okay. 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. So let us multiply here. 36 into 25. 25 6 are, that is 150. So 15 carry. 25 3 is a 75, 80 and 90. So that is a 900. So it is a 900 centimeter square. Area of a rectangular sheet. This rectangular sheet మొత్తం ఎంత ఉంది? 900 centimeter square. Minus, from this let us subtract now. 8 into 22 into 1.75 centimeters into 1.75 centimeters. So if you multiply this all, you will get a particular answer. Already I have solved these problems. So the same thing I will tell you now. Already I have solved the problem that I got it like a. Now by using that I got 539. So this will be equal to 539 you will get. So just you multiply and check it, you will be getting same thing. Yes, you will be getting the same thing, that 539. Yes, 900 centimeters square minus 539 centimeters square. Then you subtract this both. 900 minus 539, it is 9 and it is 10 here and it will become 80. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 3 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3. That is 361 centimeter square. Therefore the area of remaining sheet is equal to 361 centimeter square. Simple. Area of rectangle minus how many buttons are taken out? 56 buttons. Each button in the shape of circle. So having radius of 1.75 centimeters. So area of rectangle minus 56 into area circle. Now we go for the second question solution. Let us see that what is the second question. See that, find the area of circle inscribed in a square of side 28 centimeters. In a square there is a one circle here. In a square there is a one circle. We have to find out the area of this particular circle. So here the circle is inscribed in a square. Circle ekkada undi? Square lo undi. Now we have to find out the area of this circle. So here the side of the square is given. The side of the square, the side of the square, the side of the square is equal to, what is the side of the square is equal to 28 centimeter, but the side of the square equal to the diameter of the circle. ఇక్కడ సైడ్ ఎంత ఉందో డయామీటర్ కూడా అంతే ఉంది. డయామీటర్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్, ద diameter of the circle, the side of the circle equal to side of the square equal to diameter of the circle. So the diameter of the circle d equal to, now what we get, that is 28. See, 28 centimeters. Side of the square equal to 28 centimeters, that equal to d. But we require r, no, we require radius r, that r equal to d by 2, nothing but 28 centimeter by 2, that equal to 14 centimeter. 2 ones are 2 14. So radius equal to 14 centimeters. Now we can find out the area of square now, because we require only r value to find out the area of square, area of circle. So let us find out area of circle is equal to pi r square. Area of circle formula అంటే pi r square. మనకు ఓన్లీ రేడియస్ ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో హియర్ pi value is 22/7, r value is what, actually 14, but here 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter, because it is a r square, so we write it 2 times. 2 ones are, 7 ones are 7 2s are, so the leftover things are 22 into 2 centimeters into 14 centimeters. Yes, now 2 into 22, that is 44 centimeters into 14 centimeters. Now here 44 into this 44 into 14 centimeter equal to 616 centimeters square. Therefore area of circle equal to, the area of circle equal to 616 centimeters square. Now let us go for third bit. First question now. In the third bit we need to find out the area of shaded region. The area of shaded region we have to find. See that here the shaded region, the 4 semicircles are here. 4 semicircles, they are not complete circles. So the 4 semicircles are here which are shaded. We need to find out this shaded region in this. So on this, all these 4 semicircles on the sides of a square sides by 4 semicircles ఉన్నాయి. We have to find out this area of 4 semicircles. Okay, each and every, here complete, here from here to here the complete length is 42 centimeter. Then the side of the square is 21 centimeter. It became a 21 centimeter. The side of the square is equal to the diameter of a semicircle. The diameter of the semicircle is the diameter of a semicircle. The diameter of a semicircle d equal to 21 centimeter. Then the radius become, you know now, radius r equal to what, d by 2, that equal to 21 centimeter by 2, that equal to 10.5 centimeters. Radius equal to 10.5 centimeters. Now what we need to find, we have to find out the shaded region. The area of shaded region, area of shaded region equal to, how many semicircles are there? 4. So 4 into area of semicircle, area semicircle, 4 into, why there are 4 semicircles? So let us apply the formula here. 4 into area of semicircle formula. Area of semicircle formula is pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. These 2 ones are 2 2s are get cancelled. So remaining things let us write 2 into pi r square. 2 into pi r square, because 2 ones are 2 2s are get cancelled. This 2 into pi r square is like. Now pi value you know, that is 22 by 7 into R value. Already we got R value, that is from the diameter is 21, the R value is 10.5 centimeters into 10.5 centimeters. See that 7 was the 7. 7 was the 7. How many left from this 10? 3. So it become 35. It became 35. 0.75 is 35. So it will be get, so 2 into 22 into 1.5 centimeters into 10.5 centimeters. So when you multiply this all, you will get it that 693 centimeter into centimeter square. I already simplified this, then I wrote directly because there will be no time, much time. If I multiply everything, it takes a long time. So just you know the multiplications, you multiply this all, you will be getting exactly, that is 693 centimeter squares. Okay, then let us write the area of shaded region. The area of shaded region is equal to 693 centimeter square or square centimeters. So look at this. Now we go for the next question also. Here the second one of third weight. So we need to find out the area of shaded region in this also. Let us see that what they have given first. There will be one big circle. In that there are two semicircles which are unshaded. The big circle is completely shaded. In that two semicircles are unshaded. But we need to find out only the shaded region. So how can we find out? Simple. Area of this bigger circle minus 2 into area of semicircles. 2 into area of semicircles. Why? These two semicircles are not shaded. So complete part is shaded now. Area of circle minus 2 into area semicircles we have to do it. For that what we require first, let us write now. The diameter of the bigger circle is given. This is the diameter of the bigger circle, that is equal to 21 centimeter is given. The diameter of bigger circle is equal to D equal to 21 centimeter. But radius, okay, the radius R equal to D by 2, that equal to 21 centimeter by 2, that equal to 10.5 centimeter. The diameter of the bigger circle is D equal to 21 centimeter. Then half of this will be the radius, that is 10.5 centimeter. Then the diameter of smaller circles, the diameter of smaller semicircle. Sorry, the diameter of semicircle, that equal to the diameter of semicircle D equal to here, that is 10.5 centimeters. Sorry, meters. Then all these they have given in the meters, so let us write only meters. Now then the radius R equal to D by 2, half of the diameter, that equal to 10.5 meters by 2, that equal to 5.25 meters. So now we know that the radius of the bigger circle minus the radius of the two semicircles. The radius will be here 5.25, and this radius R equal to, this radius capital R equal to 10.5 meters. Now we can find out the area of shaded region. Now we can find out the area of shaded region. Shaded region equal to what is area bigger circle, complete circle minus area of bigger circle minus 2 into area semicircle. ఎందుకు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి? ఇది షేడ్ చేయలేదు కనుక సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేశారు. So 2 into area of semi-circles. Okay. Now we know that area bigger circle, area circle formula pi r square minus here 2 into area semicircle formula pi r square by 2. So 2 get cancelled. See, when two semicircles if you add, it will be equal to one complete circle, that is pi r square. Okay, whatever. Let us substitute the values here. It is 22 by 7 into r value. R is nothing but area bigger circle, that is 10.5 meters into 10.5 meters, because it is r square. Minus, we go for here pi value, that is 22 by 7 into r value. R value is nothing but the radius of the smaller semicircles, that is 5.25 meters into 5.25 meters. So here you cancel this. 7 1 is 7, 1 point, here 3 will be left, 7 1.5, that equal to 22 into 1.5 meter into 10.5 meters. This all minus this C. Now 7 1 is 7. In 7 table 5 won't come. So 7 0 is 0. Point. It become a 52. So 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49. 7 7 is 49. And then you will get 3. So it become a 35. 7 5 is 35. See. So 22 into 0.75 meters into 5.25 meters. So when you multiply this all, let's see, when you multiply that all, you will get it 346.5 meter into meter square minus, and when you multiply this all, I have already simplified, no? So I will be telling that same thing now. Now 86.6250 meter square, because there are 4 decimal points now here. 1 2 3 4 decimal digits are there, so you will be getting like this. So when you subtract now 346.5 meter square minus 86.6250 meter square, will be getting here 259.8750 meter squares. Okay, therefore the area of shaded region, therefore the area of shaded region is equal to 259.8750 meter square. If you have a doubt that, just you multiply this all, you will be getting the same answers. Okay, then this is our third bit, first and second answers. Now let's go for the fourth question. Now see, I have drawn the diagram. Here the fourth question is that, you can look at here the fourth question. In the adjacent figure consists of 4 small semicircles of equal radii and 2 big semicircles of equal radii, each 42 centimeter. Find, okay, then find the area of the shaded region. So find the area of shaded region. Then see that here this figure contains 4 semicircles, 4 small semicircles. What here, see, this is the 1 and this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4. So it contains 4 small semicircles and 2 big semicircles. This is the bigger semicircles. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, this is, we keep it a star, and these 2 are the star like, So these 2 are the big semicircles. Now if you observe very clearly, so what I will do, this small 4 semicircles are there. Small 4 semicircles are there. What I will do, this semicircle 2, I will remove and I will replace it here. This shaded region, this is unshaded region. This is shaded region and this is unshaded region. What I will do now, this shaded region I will keep it here, and this unshaded region I will shift it here. See what happens now. So it becomes like this now. See, here it will be shaded completely. So what happens? See what I am going to be do it. So might we use it. So here this one I will replace here. The same circle will be replaced there because all having equal radii. అన్ని ఈక్వల్ రేడియస్ తో ఉన్నాయి కనుక రీప్లేస్ చేసేయచ్చు. దే ఆర్ నాట్ డిఫరెంట్, ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్ రేడియస్. ఓకే, నౌ యు సీ దట్ what happens. So two big semicircles happen. Two very big semicircles are happening. The smaller semicircles are cancelled. The shaded region and unshaded region are shifted each other. So ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏం వచ్చాయి, this is one semicircle and this is one semicircle. Each of diameter equal to 42 centimeters. Here each of diameter is 42 centimeters. So the diameter of the bigger semicircle, meter of bigger semicircles D equal to 42 centimeters, which is given in the question. Yes, 42 centimeters. Yes, then the radius R equal to D by 2, that equal to 42 centimeters by 2. Why D by 2? Half of the diameter is radius. So 42 by 2 will give us 21 centimeters. The radius of the bigger semicircle is 21 semicircle. Smaller semicircles ఎటుపోయినాయి, అవి షిఫ్ట్ అయిపోయినాయి. సో ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. The shaded region will comes here. అవి ఏం చేసాయి, ఈ షేడెడ్ రీజన్ షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తే ఇది ఏ కంప్లీట్ సెమీసర్కిల్. బిగ్ సెమీసర్కిల్ ఇది కూడా షేడెడ్ రీజన్ ఇట్ సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఇట్ షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమైంది, ఇది కూడా ఒక సెమీ సర్కిల్ అయింది. ఇది ఒక సెమీ సర్కిల్, ఇది ఒక సెమీ సర్కిల్, కంప్లీట్లీ షేడెడ్. ఈ అన్షేడెడ్ గురించి మనం పట్టించుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. వన్ షేడెడ్ వన్ షేడెడ్ అండ్ అన్షేడెడ్ ఆర్ రీప్లేస్డ్ ఈచ్ అదర్. సో ఇట్ బికమ్ ఏ కంప్లీట్ టూ బిగ్గర్ సెమీ సర్కిల్స్ హ్యాపెన్. Now you have to find out the area of shaded region. The area of shaded region equal to 2 into area of two semicircles. 2 into area of semicircles. So here 2 into area of semicircle formula pi r square by 2. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled, that is pi r square. See, when two semicircles you replace each other, that become a complete circle. ఈ semicircle ని తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ రీప్లేస్ చేయండి, అది ఒక కంప్లీట్ సర్కిల్ అవుతుంది. సో now the area of shaded region become pi r square, nothing but a complete square అయింది. r not 2 into area of two semicircle, 2 into area semicircle, రెండు semicircle కలిపితే ఒక కంప్లీట్ సర్కిల్ అవుతుంది. That's why 2 and 2 get cancelled, pi r square. Here pi value is what? As you know, the pi value is 22/7 and r value we got it as a 21 centimeter. So 21 centimeter into 21 centimeter. Why 2 times? Because it is a r square. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So left over 1, 22 into 3 centimeter into 21 centimeter. So 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 66 into centimeter into 21 centimeter into centimeter square. So now let us multiply 66 into 21. 66 into 12 and carry 13. So 6813. So 1386 centimeter square. 1386 centimeter square. Therefore the area of shaded region equal to 1386 centimeter square. 1386 centimeter square. So if you observe this, you will be getting a same answer. Now we go for the fifth question solution, and here the fifth question is that you can see on the screen now. Yes. So this is the fifth question figure. So let us go for this. What is the question now? In the adjacent figure consists of 4 half circles and 2 quarter circles. 4 half circles, 4 semi circles is half circles and semi circles. ఎక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి చూద్దాం. 1 2 3 and 4. Yes, there are 4 half circles. There are 4 half circles and 2 quarter circles. What are the 2 quarter circles? This is a quarter circle 1 and this is a quarter circle 2. There are 4 half circles and 2 quarter circles are there. So where OA equal to and OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to 4. There OA is equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to, that is 14 centimeter. That is 14 centimeter. Now we have to find out the shaded region here. We have to find out the shaded region. See, actually circle will be like this. This is a circle actually. This is a complete circle. Elaborate circle. So from this only these are the parts are shaded. There are 4 half circles and 2 quarter circles. What I will do it now, this will be like a zigzag. What we do it, let us shuffle like a previous problem. This shaded region will shift it to here. This shaded region I will be rubbing this. I am going to clear this shaded region. Yes. Now this will be like unshaded and you can make it clean. This will be a shaded now. And let us shade this one. So what happens is, see, this shaded region we are shifting this side. This shaded region we are shifting to this side like a previous problem, and now this shaded region also shifting to the place number 3. So 2 unshaded regions and 2 shaded regions, their areas will be cancelled. The area suppose 50 unte idi minus 50, this 50 unte idi minus 50, so their areas will be cancelled now. So that's why. Now see, now what happens, see, when you shade this all, now what can you observe? See, now completely you can see 2 quarter circles. Here one quarter circle, here one quarter circle. Is the complete circle kada? Here see that this is a complete circle actually. This is a complete circle. In this complete circle, this is one quarter circle and this is one quarter circle. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the area of 2 quarter circles. That is enough. That will be the area of shaded region. So now the radius of the here OA equal to what is given? That is OA equal to nothing but OB equal to is nothing but 14 centimeter. Nothing but it is a radius only, no? It is a radius 14 centimeter. This మొత్తం diameter అవుతుంది. 14 plus 14 28 centimeter will be diameter, but till OA it is a radius only 14 centimeters. Now the radius of the quarter circles, the radius of quarter circle is equal to or equal to 14 centimeters. Now let us find out area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region equal to 2 into area of quarter circle. Why 2 into? Because there are 2 here. Area into area of quarter circle. So here 2 into area of quarter circle formula pi r square by 4. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what will get here? At last we got pi r square by 2. So here pi value is, so this 2 I will write as a 1 by 2, and here pi value that is 22 by 7 into r. R value is given 14 centimeter. So 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. ఈ 1 by 2 ని రాసుకున్నాం. ఇది by 2 కదా. 1 by 2 I have written here. Pi value is 22 and r square 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. 7 ones are 7 twos are. 2 ones are 2 ones are get cancelled. Here 22 into here 14 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. 14 twos are 28, 2 carry, 14 twos are 28 plus 2, that is 30, that is 308 centimeter square. Now the area of the shaded region, therefore the area of shaded region, the area of shaded region equal to 308 centimeter square. 308 centimeter square. I hope you understood the first 5 problems of this exercise 9.2 clearly. You practice this very clean and clearly and see that how we are shifting it and make it easy. Okay, how we are shifting the shaded regions to make it problem very easy to get the answer. We have to understand here what we have done. These two were shaded and these two are unshaded. That means a shaded unshaded area అనేది cancel అయిపోతుంది. So remaining area మనం find out చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. That is what. So I hope you understood this one. Practice properly. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.